Today we're going to take a look at this trailer behind me. Now this trailer is for lease, for rent if you need a shorter term, but this is a Take 3-car hauler, and it's a lightweight trailer. So let's go take a look at it. So this is a Take 3, and it's a real nice one. It has tandem axles on the back. This one is very unique, and that it has the 12,000 pound winch on it, but it also has, if you see that little guy right there, that is for the electric over hydraulic disc brakes on it, and that's a significant feature. This thing stops on a dime. This guy has both toolboxes. Of course, it has the 7-foot ramps on it. And we're going to get to the back in just a minute. I'll show you something else that's unique on it. But it has the Dexter 14,000 pound axles. It runs the 14-ply tires. They're all 4 good tires on it. In fact, this axle in the front here is brand new. Bearings are good all throughout. And if you can see, there's a little tree debris on it. We had a storm pass through here, if anybody remembers, a little guy named Milton, and then there was a Helena before that. But this guy here has the wide ramps on it. And because of that, it accepts those mini trucks that you see people hauling around. They'll go right on here. So almost anything. And with the width of the ramp, once you get up top there and you get out and you have to walk back down the ramps, there's a lot more room on the side. You don't feel like you're going to fall off as bad. You don't feel like you're some sort of high wire artist. Now, it does come, if you lease it, it does come with the straps for putting 3 cars on it. It has the LED lights across it, including here. The tag has been relocated. The factory tags come back here. They always drag around, break off, so it's been relocated. Of course, the winch works and everything. It has a winch cable that can run not only the length of this, but behind it, it can run out about 30 feet behind it, 25, 30 feet behind it. And as you can see, it's a long deck on this thing. It'll easily hold 3 vehicles. If you had small ones, maybe 4. I know we've loaded the mini trucks on here, and we easily put 4 on here without a problem. Anyway, give me a call, 904-718-3829, 904-718-3829.